go, great. Blizzard, you see? Chicago.
We in the blizzard.
The first, you feel me? Just getting off work, got that foot-away thing up, got that motherfucker foot long, you know how I do. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and, make this little video. Come on, follow me, walk. Come on.
Let's take a look at this blizzard.
Come on. Shit heavy, but look, all on my motherfucker. Everything, like, this is deep, man. This shit is real. Come on.
This is real. You see that? Look, you can't even see my foot. Look at this. That's crazy. Oh my God. Little razzle dazzle.
Look at it. Cold as fuck.
It's the kid, one and only.
Kid back that, he's cold.
I got my boy X swagged up. Turn around, bro. Turn around, bro.
Oh, that's me on here. You know how to do it.
Look at this. Long hair don't care. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is terrible. This is how we do in Chicago. Look, vote Danny Solis. We got Chase Bank up there. Look at this. This is a mess. Chicago Blizzard. February 1st, 2011. Whoa! Oh my! Look at this! Oh! Oh shit! Shit! Damn! This some fucked up shit! On life.
That's my bank,
Fuck that bank.
God, they need help, so if you want to get
vote for Jerry Chico for mayor. Oh my God, look at this. This is crazy. I know, right? Oh, God. Rockstar fade.
Did you guys get the clothes? Like, what, an hour early?
This is my great buddy, Bill.
Hi,
how you doing?
Sorry, my hands are cold.
Oh, it's okay.
There you go, boy.
The best.
Absolutely,
The best. Mike. Oh, my God.
You have a new dude with the snow on it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, did you just see that?
It was lightning.
That was just lightning or that was the power?
Dude,
There it is.
it's thundering and snowing.
Oh my God.
What a blizzard. Yep, they're still open. Oh, did you try the pizza yet?
I wasn't.
It's delicious.
Oh, I'm glad, because I don't like theirs, and I don't like theirs.
The crust is so soft.
Really?
Oh,
Yes, you can eat through it. You can eat it backwards.
Guys, have a nice night. Go.
You
go,
too,
go.
thanks.
Take care.
You
Happy snow days.
I know, right, Bill? And I'm off. Yay. Taylor Street Tattoo, the one and only. No children, no exceptions, no drunks. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got the Papa John's delivery car.
Y'all getting all this shit.
Yeah. This is historical. This is historical. Yeah.
What time y'all close?
What time y'all usually close? What time you usually close?
I think it's 11 or 12 on the weekdays and like 3 on the weekends.
Oh, dang. That's party time, yeah.
All right, take care.
You too, thank you. Whoa! Man, that went hitting hard. Oh, my God. Oh my God. Yeah, we almost at the crib. I might have to spend the night. I don't think I can go home like this. Look at this. Yeah, don't you hear that thunder rumbling? Oh my God. No ceilings, don't you? Woo! Oh my gosh. Where's 1224? 1218. Taylor made. Oh, they suck. 1220. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, they are. No, they suck. Papa's.
We home sweet home.
Look at the condos. Yes, sir. That's how we do in Chicago. Chicago love. It's a life. Oh, this where we at. 1224 West.
Say no. World don't need to know my home.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Damn. Look at my bro. Nigga struggling. Woo! Damn. Woo! Look what we gotta walk through. Oh, shortcut. Damn, this gonna be a 3-part series. Shit. Oh. Oh my goodness gracious. We made it. We made it to the crib. We made it to my mom. 1960.
The last blizzard was at
1969. Last blizzard.
before the weather.
It's been your boy, the kid. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Don't try this outside or in your home, please. Thank you. And good night. Oh, one more thing. Hide your kids, hide your wives, because they raping everybody out here. Oh my God.
Get the fuck in.
Close the door!
Girl, we about to
Close the door!
Wait.
What's wrong with you?
Oh.
Well, you can't go back out there. You can't go.
Woo!
You gotta stay.
Look like I'm spending the night.
You know, don't do your check-in block.
Love that, bro.
You can't go back out
Get
there.
out of here, Brad.
No,
That
stop!
ain't your kind of way.
Let Pippin put his camera down. Put it on hold. Put it on hold. Let's get him. Yeah.
This motherfucking snow there. Look at him. Just get off work. Mom over there cooking and shit. You know they done upgraded. Look, they go Jules Oscar right there. Jules Oscar. They go AKA Gamehead right there.
I had to walk from my park.
Ash Cash. The one and only.
I got a message for the people.
Who phone wet like
Oh
that?
my God.
The screen wet.
It's just a screen.
I got a message for the people.
What's the message?
And you can run and tell that, homeboy.